I'm Eric Scott. I'm a mixed media artist, and I've been working in visual journals and books and painting and doing all kinds of stuff, well, for all my life. But for the last 25 years or so, I've really been focusing on that mixed media. And I have a brand new online workshop, and it's all about blank books and going beyond the blank pages. So the title of it is Beyond Blank Pages. So this course was supposed to be an in-person week-long retreat. It got canceled, and so I said, hey, let's go ahead and turn it into an online workshop. So here's what it's going to be. My goal is that it's going to be like the same amount of content that would have been in the week-long retreat. So that means that this is going to be a big class. So this is going to be an 8-week class, and twice a week I'm going to drop instructional videos, and it's going to give you time to work on it. So you can work at your own pace. By doing it weekly, then you're only faced with a couple videos to watch and finding some time to do your work. So 8 weeks of that, 2 videos a week at least. And then I'm going to do some live sessions as well. So if you can tune in at a certain time, I haven't picked those times yet. Most likely going to be an evening that works for me. And we'll do it through Zoom. So that way you can actually see some of the other folks that are in the class. You can share some ideas, you can ask questions, because that's part of the beauty of the online classes that I've been teaching for the last 2 years is that we've really built up this community, we've gotten to know each other, and I'd love to be able to open that up to other folks. I think this kind of hybrid model of having pre-recorded instructional videos and then having sort of live sharing sessions is a slightly different approach, but it will allow us to kind of like still come together as that creative community because that's really important. And I'm also going to set up a private Facebook group. So if you're not on Facebook, don't worry about it. You don't have to join Facebook to be part of this group, to be part of this course, but it is going to be a place if you want to post, if you want to get feedback, if you want to share what you're doing. I hope that you can join me. I hope that you can make some art with me and spend some time kind of working beyond those blank pages and tackling those things. So anyway, hope you can join me. Hope to see you then. Oh, when does this start? March 15th. So we're going to start March 15th. Going to dive in and start making. I'm going to release the video so you can register up. And what if you miss March 15th? You could still register because it's pre-recorded and you're working at your own pace. And I'll send out a schedule of the live sessions once I get those all figured out. So anyway, if you have any questions, you have any comments, check out the link below. That will take you to the workshop page. If you still have questions, make sure you email me. So thank you so much, and I hope to make art with you.